Hello children, welcome to our EVS class. So beta, today in this lecture I am going to start a new lesson. Okay, yes. Today in this lecture I am going to explain you lesson number 17. The name is Journey of a Letter. Yes, what is the name of lesson number 17? So our lesson number 17 is Journey of a Letter. Okay, means this lesson is related with letter. Okay, and you know very well what is mean by letter, hai na? Yes or no? Yes. So beta, in this lesson we will learn about journey of a letter. What is the journey of a letter? Okay, and this lesson is very interesting, you know. Yes. So you all are ready? Okay, so now let's start our lesson. Okay, so beta, in today's time there is a phone call, है ना? Yes, by which we can do call, we can do message to our friends, to our family members, to our relatives, है ना? If our friends, our family members, our relatives, they are very far to us, है ना? And if we talk with them, okay, if we want to talk with them, then we can call them, we can message them with the help of phone, है ना? Yes or no? Yes. But in today's time, है ना? Yes. But beta, in earlier time when there were no phone, when people had no phone, on that time people were talking with each other by writing a letter. Yes, on that time अगर उस टाइम पे अगर किसी को बात करनी होती थी तो वो एक दूसरे को लेटर लिखते थे. अगर उनके रिलेटिव्स, उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स या उनके फ्रेंड्स उनके दूर हैं तो वो लेटर्स लिखते थे. दे वर टॉकिंग विथ ईच अदर बाय राइटिंग अ लेटर. यस. Okay, so beta, in today's time also there were few peoples are there who write letter to his or her friends, to his or her family members, to his or her relatives. Okay, yes. So beta, whenever we write a letter to our friends, to our family members, to our relatives, so so that letter does not reach its destination directly. You know, वो अपने destination पे directly नहीं पहुंच जाता है, right? Okay, there is also some process between that. Okay, yes, वहाँ पर और भी बहुत सारी process होती है बीच में, and after that letter reached its destination. Okay, yes. So beta, in this lesson we will learn about that. We will learn about journey of a letter. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. So beta, first of all I will explain कि what is mean by journey of a letter. Okay, what is called journey of a letter. Okay, so beta, whenever we write a letter to our friends, to our family members, to our relatives, okay, whenever we send a letter to our friends, to our family members, to our relatives, how it travels in between, that is called journey of a letter. Okay, so you got it, what is mean by journey of a letter. Okay, so now let's see what happens. So beta, first of all we write a letter to our friends, to our family members, and to our relatives. Okay, yes, after writing a letter we put that letter in an envelope. Okay, and write address on it. Okay, yes, after writing address we put stamp on that letter. Okay, and after that we put that letter to the in the letter box. Okay, after that postman comes and takes that letter to the post office. Okay, and in the post office different stamps put on the letter. Okay, and after that a red mailman come and takes the letter to the railway station. Okay, to the station. Okay, yes, after the sorting of the letters is done in the post office, is done in the sorting is done by the according to the areas. Okay, yes, and finally postman deliver the letters to our friends, to our family members, and to our relatives. Okay, so beta, have you understood? Okay, okay, so now let's start our lesson. Okay, so lesson number 17, journey of a letter. Okay, so now let's see our lesson. Now beta, look at here, downside one picture is given here, and this picture, this is the picture of letter, hai na? Yes. So and beta, this letter is written by Samira to her friend Salman. Okay, here Shamira is girl, okay, and Salman is a boy. So this letter is written by Shamira to her friend Salman. Okay, and beta, this is known as postcard. Okay, there are two types of letters. Okay, there are two types of letter. Number one is postcard and number two is inland letter that we get from the post office. Okay, and this is known as the postcard. Okay, if we are writing a short message, okay, if we are writing a short message to our friends, to our relatives, to our family members, okay, so we buy postcard. Okay, yes, and we are, if we are writing a a long message to our friends, to our family members, to our relatives, then to write that we buy inland letter. Okay, yes. So here, and this is known as postcard, you know, because ये शमीरा ने जो मैसेज दिया है वो बहुत शॉर्ट है, तो उसे इंलैंड की ज़रूरत नहीं थी आई थिंक, तो उसने ये दैट इज़ वाई उसने ये पोस्ट कार्ड बाय किया है. ओके, सो दिस इज नोन एज पोस्ट कार्ड. ओके, सो यू गॉट इट. Okay, so now let's see our lesson. So in this lesson there is one letter, means this letter. Okay, yes, I am talking about this letter that is written by Shamira to his friend to her friend Salman. Okay, yes, so here beta here one letter, and that letter is saying to us, telling to us about his journey. Okay, so now let's see what he is saying, what letter is saying. Okay, yes, so now look at here. I am a letter. Yes, letter is saying कि I am a letter. I am written with her pen and paper by Shamira to her friend Salman. Yes, now here letter is saying कि I am a letter and I am written with a pen and a paper by Shamira to her friend Salman. Yes, I was put in a letter box. Yes, after writing a letter, what happens? After that, what happens? What letter is saying? Letter is saying कि after that I was put in a letter box. Yes, the postman took me out and put me in a big bag. Yes, now letter is saying, see, first he was what he was saying. First he was saying कि after return me, okay, after writing a letter I was put in a letter box. Okay, so beta, whenever we write a letter to our friends, to our family members, and to our relatives, so after writing that we put that letter in a letter box. Okay, so like that हियर ऑल्सो जब उसने शमीरा ने वो लेटर लिख दिया, ओके, तो वो लेटर भी कहाँ पे रखा गया? दैट लेटर इज पुट इन अ लेटर बॉक्स. ओके, हियर लेटर इज सेइंग कि आई वाज पुट इन अ लेटर बॉक्स. द पोस्टमैन टुक मी आउट एंड पुट मी इन अ बिग बैग. यस, आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंड? द पोस्टमैन टुक मी आउट एंड पुट मी इन द बिग बैग. यस, taking a ride on the postman's bicycle, I reached the post office. Yes, now later, now what is now later is saying a ride to the postman's bicycle. Where I reached to the post office. Yes, there I was taken out to the there I was taken out of the big bag and stamped hard. Yes, now later, what letter is saying here? Now here letter is saying कि after that I was taken out, okay, and taken out of the big bag and stamped hard, and I stamped hard. Okay, yes, और एक और stamp उस पे लगाया गया. The stamp was of Vadodara, from where my travel began. Yes, and here letter is saying कि the stamp was of Vadodara. Okay, why of Vadodara? बिकॉज वो जो शमीरा थी, शी लिव्स इन वडोदरा, राइट, एंड उसने वहीं से लेटर सेंड किया था उसके फ्रेंड सलमान को. ओके, तो स्टैम्प तो पहले वहीं का लगेगा ना. यस, दैट इज वाई हियर लेटर इज सेइंग कि द स्टैम्प वाज ऑफ वडोदरा, फ्रॉम वेयर माई ट्रैवल बिगन. यस, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड. After getting stamped, I reached another big bag. Yes, now what letter is saying? Now letter is saying कि after getting stamped, where I reached another big bag. Yes, this bag had many more letters. Yes, now here what is saying? Letter is saying कि and this bag had many more letters. Yes, बहुत सारे, उस बैग में और भी बहुत सारे letters थे. All headings for Ahmedabad. Yes, and all the headings for the अहमदाबाद, उन सब पे अहमदाबाद के लिए हेडिंग थी. The red postal van dropped me at the railway station. Yes, after that what happened? Now what letter is saying? Now letter is saying कि after that the red postal van dropped me at the railway station. Yes, there I got into a train going to Ahmedabad. Yes, and what happened there? There I got into a train. Yes, that was going to Ahmedabad. Yes, now let's see what happened. After a journey of one day, I reached Ahmedabad. Yes, now later what is saying to us? Now later is saying कि after a journey of one day, where I reached in Ahmedabad. I was sorted as per the area mentioned in the address written on me. Yes, now later what is letter is saying? Letter is saying कि I was sorted as per the area mentioned in the address written on me. Yes, One more stamp was put on me. Yes, and there one more stamp put on me. Finally, the postman dropped me at Salman's house, and after that, finally, the postman dropped me at Salman's house. Yes, now see, उसकी जर्नी वडोदरा से स्टार्ट हुई थी एंड इन बिटवीन कितनी सारी प्रोसेस हुई एंड बट फाइनली दैट लेटर जो कि दैट लेटर रीच्ड एट सलमान हाउस है ना एंड फाइनली वो जो लेटर है वो सलमान के वहां पर पहुंच गया है ना यस सो बेटा यू गॉट इट ओके नाउ ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज okay so now look at here now let's see what is given here. So given below is the journey of a letter shown through pictures. Yes, now here what is saying to us beta? Here saying to us ke given below is the journey of a letter shown through the pictures. Yes, as we can see here, hai na? Yes. The pictures are not in a sequence. Yes, now here what is saying to us? Here saying to us that the pictures are not in a sequence. Okay, means we have to arrange this, hai na? Right, yes. That is already written here. Arrange these to get the correct sequence by putting number in the circles. Yes, now here what is saying to us? Here saying to us that these all pictures, they are not in a sequence. Okay, so arrange these to get the correct sequence by putting number in the circles. Okay, yes. Now beta we know very well about journey of a letter. Okay, so suppose we are writing a letter to our friends or our relatives or our family members. Okay, so first of all what we will do? So first of all we will write a letter to our friends. Okay, now beta one more thing here, we will count like this: one, first left side 1, right 2, again left 3, right 4, 5, right 6, left 7 and right 8. Okay, we will count like this. Okay, and we will give the number like this. Okay, yes. So now now we know very well about journey of a letter. Okay, so suppose we are writing a letter to our friends, to our family members and to our relatives. Okay, so first of all what we will do? So first of all we will write a letter to our friends, to our family members and to our relatives. Okay, yes. So which picture is number 1? Okay, so first of all we will write a letter. So now we are here, look at in fourth picture. Okay, yes, there is one girl and she is writing a letter. Okay, so this is our number 1. Okay, yes. So now beta after writing a letter what we will do? So after writing a letter, okay, we put after writing a letter we put that letter in a letter box. Okay, yes. So now look at here in first picture. Okay, you can see here that girl is putting that letter in the letter box. Okay, so this is our number 2. Okay, yes, got it. Okay, so now beta after writing letter we put that letter in a letter box. Okay, after that what will happen? After that postman come and takes that letters to the letter box, है ना? Yes. So now here beta look at fifth picture, 1 2 3 4 and fifth picture, है ना? There is one old man, है ना? Yes, means there he is a postman, है ना? Yes, and he is taking letters from the post box. Okay, yes, so that is our number 3. Okay, got it. Okay, so now beta after taking the letter from the post box and from the letter box, what will happens? So postman take that letters to the post office and their stamps put on that letter, है ना? Yes, so now beta here look at in second picture, you can see here in second picture there is one man and he is putting stamp on the letter. Okay, so that is our number 4. Okay, got it. Yes, so now beta after putting the stamp, after that sorting, है ना? Yes, उसको sort out किया, right? So now beta here look at in a seventh picture. Okay, there is one woman and she is sorting the letters, right? Yes, so that is our fifth number, right? Which number? That is our fifth number, right? Yes, and after that ये जो हमारा लेटर है, right, उसको उसकी जो भी प्लेस होती है आफ्टर शॉर्ट आउट के बाद वो हमारी प्लेस पर पहुंच जाता है. Now our name is given here. One is given here, that is the name of Ahmedabad. Okay, right. So that is our number 6. Okay, yes. Now after reaching that place, what happened, what will happen? So postman takes that letter and वो जो लेटर है, वो जो पोस्टमैन है वो लेटर्स को लेता है एंड कहाँ पे, जहाँ पर भी हमारे फ्रेंड्स फैमिली मेंबर्स जो होते हैं उनके वहां पर वो पहुंचा देते हैं ना. सो नाउ बेटा लुक एट हियर इन सिक्स्थ पिक्चर, है ना, वो पोस्टमैन इज देयर, है ना. यस एंड वो जो है घर पे उन्होंने वो जो लेटर है वो पोस्टमैन ने वो फाइनली घर पे वो पहुंचा दिया. ओके, सो दैट इज अवर नंबर 7. And after that our family members and our relatives get that letter, है ना. So now here in last picture, okay, there is one boy, suppose कि he is our relative, okay, he is our friends, anything, okay, you have to just suppose here. Okay, so in this picture, in last picture, he got the letter. Okay, yes, so that is our number 8. Okay, so you got it. Okay, so beta again one time I just uh, say the numbers. Okay, again, so third picture, that is our number 1. First picture, that is our number 2. That is our number 3. Now here second picture, that is our number 4. Sixth picture, that is our number 5. Third picture, that is our number 6. And sixth picture, that is our number 7. And eighth picture 8. Okay, yes, so you got it beta. Okay, so now on next page. Okay, so now let's see what is saying here. So Shamira wrote a letter to Salman. Yes, here saying to us that Shamira wrote a letter to her friend Salman. Write a letter to your friend in the class. Yes, now here what is saying to us? Here saying to us that Shamira wrote a letter to her friend Salman, like that. You also write a letter to your friend in the class. Don't forget to write your friend's name. Yes, and also here what is saying to us? Here saying to us that don't forget to write his or her name. Okay, everyone has written a letter, but where do we post it? Yes, now here what is saying to us? Here saying to us that everyone has written a letter. Okay, but where do we post it? Okay, yes, so now here we have to do beta, you have to do one activity. Okay, yes, so now let's see what is the activity. So make a letter box for the class. Yes, now here in this activity we have to make a letter box. Okay, yes, so now let's see how to make a letter box. Okay, so first of all take an empty shoe box. Yes, now here what you have to saying here, what you have to saying here, saying to you okay, take a empty shoe box. Okay, first of all you have to take a empty shoe box. Okay, paint it with red color or paste red paper on it. Yes, now after that what you have to do, after that you have to paint it with the red color and paste on otherwise you have to paste red color paper on it. Okay, yes, after that what is saying, after that with the help of scissors make a slit in the cover of the box. Should be big enough for letters to be put in. Yes, now here what is saying to us beta कि after that with the help of scissor you have to make a slit. Okay, in the cover of the box. Okay, yes, the slit should be big enough for letter to be put in. Okay, yes, and you know जो slit है आपको वो लेटर के अकॉर्डिंग ही बनाना है. ओके, उसकी साइज जो है लेटर के अकॉर्डिंग ही रखनी है. Okay, yes, now letter box is ready. Yes, now your letter box is ready. Okay, you can this activity at home because beta see your school is right now your school is closed, है ना. अगर आप यहाँ पर होते so definitely ये activity मैं क्लास में करवाती आपको, but right now you have to do this activity at home. Okay, drop your letter in the letter box. Now wait to receive the letter written to you by your friends. Yes, now here what is saying to you, here saying to you ki drop your letter in the letter box. Okay, you have to drop your letter in the letter box and you have to wait for receive the letter to return to you by your friend. Okay, yes, now here one act that is also here given, but I think it is not possible, but then too I will explain ke how you have to do this activity. But beta you can do this activity with your with your cousins, with your brothers, sisters. Okay, yes, So one child will act as a postman. Yes, now here what is saying? Here saying कि one child will act as a postman. Okay, he or she will take out the letters from the letter box and distribute them to all the children. Yes, now what you have to do, beta? Here one child that will act as a postman, and he or she whatever, okay, she or he will take out the letters from the letter box and distribute them to all the children. Okay, did you enjoy reading your friend's letter after? Okay, and after that here asking to you ki, did you enjoy your friend's letter? If yes, then you have to say yes. Okay, yes. Just as you wrote a letter to your friend, in the same way your friends and relatives must also be sending letter to you. Yes, now here what is saying to you, beta? Here saying to you कि just as you wrote a letter to your friends, in the same way, okay, your friends all and your relatives also be sending letter to you. Okay, bring some letters from home to school. See how many different types of letter are there. Yes, now beta one more activity that you have to do, that is saying here, see कि bring some letters from home to school. Okay, yes, you have to but right now you are not coming in the school, right? Okay, but you have to collect some letters from your homes. Okay, yes, see how many different types of letters are there. Okay, and you have to do there one observation, you have to observe that letters. Okay, कि how many different types of a letters are there. Okay, yes. So now beta here so many questions that is asking to you. So now let's see. So question number 1, what difference do you find in these letters? Yes, so now beta here in first question what is asking to you? Here asking to you कि what difference do you find in these letters? Okay, yes, so beta this is your personal question. Okay, आप letters को देखोगे उसके according ही you have to give the answer according to you. Okay, after seeing that letters. Okay, yes, but here you can say कि there are so many different types of letters. Some of them are postcards, some of them are envelopes, some of them are inland letters. Okay, yes, because whenever you find the letters, okay, जब whenever you collect the letters, then you can see कि there are different types of letters. Some of are envelopes, some of are postcard, and some of are inland letters. Okay, yes, so it was the answer of number 1. It is the answer of number 1. Now number 2, which letter have stamp on them? Okay, now here in number 2 second question, what is asking to us, beta? What is asking to you? Here asking to you कि which letters have stamp on them. So here you can see कि all the letters have stamp on them. Okay, because सारे letters पे stamp तो होंगे ही. Okay, so this is the answer of number 2. Now number 3, are all the stamps similar? What are the differences? So beta here you can say कि no, all the letters are not similar. Okay, some of them are postcards, some of them are envelopes, some of them are inland letters. Okay, yes, now next question, question number 4, have you seen the stamp of the post office on these letters? So yes, of course you can say here beta ki yes, we seen the stamp of the post office on these letters, because सब पे stamps तो होंगे ही. Okay, so beta you got it. Okay, and you have to do this activity at your home with your cousins, with your brother and sister, and with your parents also. You can do this activity at home. Okay, so you got it. Okay, so now beta for today this much is enough. Okay, and हमारा आगे का जो भी है that we will see in our next lecture. Okay, so bye bye everyone, take care, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.